Chad's shop. He's got it all mounted up and kind of strapped in place. It's looking real good. So what I'm doing right now is just looking and making sure at every angle of the car, making sure it's sitting exactly how we want it to sit before we start tacking anything. All the bars are looking straight. We just made a couple of adjustments. We're gonna go ahead and tack up the down bars here and then work our way forward and then get these rocker bars situated and start welding that, because we got to get in here and we need to pull the cage in at this part in the front. So that's kind of the plan of attack right now. So yeah, follow us along. We're gonna grab the welder and get her done. Yeah, so we're going ahead and disconnecting the computer from the car, just so it doesn't do anything weird if this thing ever grounds out while we're welding. So that's what we're doing right now. It's good practice. Go through and look at your settings here. AC. Okay, we need to go to DC. 5 amps to start. Wait, whoa, keep that right there. Let's start with 125 amps because it's a 1/4 inch. Let's see. No. 1/8 inch. Sorry, 1/8 inch. So you want to go 1/8 inch, 125 amps. That's like kind of a standard. Oh, and hey, Chad, go ahead and hit the pedal. What about 15 CFH? Turn it down just a little bit. 15 CFH is definitely plenty for this number 10 cup we got. Number 10 cup. All right, here we go. First tack, and the first of many. Anytime you can do it, use that cup though. Use the edge of that fucking cup, dude. Every time. Like if you gotta stop a lot between like when you're going on that pipe, the angles are gonna change and whatnot. All right, we already have a few welds down. Check it out. We just got it dropped down in the back right now, obviously, to get to these top of the bars right now. But it's coming out pretty good. I'm over here trying to show Chad how it's done, but I think he's kind of showing me how it's done. Maybe, I don't know. But it's coming out pretty damn good.
All right, people, we're back. We gave it a break. I ran out of gas, so had to get another tank. I was a bit frustrated too, so it was time to call it quits. It's pretty tough getting down in those spots, like up underneath the bars. So, but we'll get it. I'm gonna set the welder back up. We're gonna start on getting the rock bars final welded. All right, people, we are back. We made some progress on the cage. I'll show you what we did here. Got the plates all welded up. I should have got this on video, but I forgot. So we got the oxygen acetylene torch out. I ended up tacking this up all up and through here to get it to sit into place. And then I started welding this in. Got that set up pretty nicely. Pretty much finished welded it. And then started putting heat into this plate to where I can mold it down there, smacking it with a hammer, got it down to the floorboard, tacked it in place, and then finished welding it out. Pretty happy with the way that it came out. We ended up getting all of the 4 main posts welded in. So the whole front side of the cage is pretty much done. Still got the crossbars to put in, come from here to there. I'm waiting on a seat currently to figure out where I'm going to be able to put my shoulder bar at. Once we figure out where the shoulder bar is going to go, I'll do the crossbars that go to the tunnel. But moving forward from here, I'm going to do the down bars from the hoop to the back. So I got the plates cleaned up, set into place. I'm getting ready to tack them up. Should be able to move on now. Went and checked the breaker, blew a couple times. So I checked all my connections and tightened all the lugs down. I had a couple that I don't know, seemed to be like they loosened up a little bit over time. So I think we ended up compromising the breaker. So I ended up swapping that out. Should be able to move forward now. The thing was blowing the breaker and I wasn't even running the welder. I don't know what the deal is with that, but I'm thinking we had like a bad connection, possibly just ended up burning up a breaker. So let's get to it. Alright, here we go, guys. Took the Metavo to these ends of these pipes to get the fitment just right. It came out just about perfect. Getting ready to tack them in. Kind of made some measurements. Did the best I could on centering up these bars, I mean, it's hard. Nothing on the car is like really square. So I don't know, I kind of eyeball it, took some measurements off of a few random things. Tried to get it squared up best I could, and to me, it looks like it's sitting where it needs to be. All right, guys, I think that about does it for this video. We're at a good stopping point with the cage. I don't want to put any more bars in for the next set of upgrades that we're going to be doing. They're going to be in our way moving forward. I also need to get the new seat mounted to even know where my shoulder harness bar is even going to go. And the door bars are just going to be on our way for the next set of upgrades. I did tell you guys in the last video that I was going to let you know what we're up to. And so we're going to go ahead and drop that in right here. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one.